JYC high-frequency board joining machine. Look at the red arrow. Large and small boards can be glue spread and jointed together. The heating and pressing of a batch of boards can be completed in 2 minutes, which is very efficient. Digital production, high flatness, wide applicability. Next, in order to let you quickly see the effect of the actual splicing, we skip the process of machine pressing. Look at the red arrow. Now unloading, pay attention to the plates with different end colors. The width of these raw material planks is not equal, but the finished panel is nearly perfect. Even if the width of the planks is not uniform, the combination of this machine can also achieve perfect joining. This machine can be used for stand-alone production with 1 or 2 labor, or it can be directly connected to the automatic production line. Like the part of discharging, it can be docked with the gantry suction cup, realize automatic discharging and pelletizing before the loading process section. It can also be directly connect four-sided planer. Now, let me show you the application of this high-frequency board joining machine on other wooden panel. Nearly 10 centimeters of thick wood. Thin board of only a few millimeters. Short board. Long board. Extra long board. Solid wood edge bending. Building formwork reuse. Regarding the joining of wood boards, many things you have seen and have not considered can be jointed. Do you know why everyone thinks that the high-frequency pressing method is better than the traditional cold pressing method? Because there is a gap of nearly 60 times in processing efficiency. And why is the plank produced by jigs jointing machine more flat? Because the double direction pression and their pressing method